Hey y'all, it's Danielle with Octane Design Studios, your retro gaming digital marketer, and today's topic is product packaging. So you're a fierce, energetic graphic designer ready to embark the ultimate quest, creating epic product packaging that will capture the hearts of your consumers and make your brand the stuff of legends. Hold on to your power-ups because we're about to drop some game-changing knowledge that'll level up your packaging design journey. Step one, power up your inspiration meter. Okay, ready player one, it's time to kick off your packaging adventure with a bang. Inspiration is your ultimate power up. Dive into the digital realm and explore award winning designs online. These visual treasures are like finding secret power ups in your favorite game. They'll spark creativity you didn't know you had. Don't limit yourself to packaging, explore all design dimensions for that extra boost. But that's not all. Study the magic behind these designs. What makes them tick? Analyze their usability, aesthetics, and user experience. Dive into design trends and follow the blogs of legendary graphic designers. Level up by scouting as many trendy packaging visuals online as you can. It's all about staying ahead of the game. Step two, decode the quest. Know your product and its power ups. Before you dive headfirst into your design dungeon, gather intel about the product you're championing. What do your loyal customers need to know to unleash the full potential of this epic loot? For example, if you're crafting food packaging, arm yourself with nutrition, safety, and care details. Allocate space on your packaging accordingly. Determine if your packaging is a shield against the forces of the outside world or a sacred seal to preserve its contents. Beware of environmental hazards. Will your product wilt in the face of light or thirst for ventilation? Equip your design for waterproofing and handling hot or cold conditions. Keep an eye on the transportation and shipping quests. Your product size, weight, and volume requirements are vital details, and you'll totally master these if you conquer this level. Step 3, unleash your superpowers. Tell your story with colors and fonts. In this level, you're not just a designer, you're a storyteller. Your packaging must narrate your brand's epic tale at a glance. Colors, fonts, and images are your enchanted weapons. Use them to unveil the source of your product's magic materials. Ensure your brand's presence shines through in every design element. Whether you choose collage based illustrations or visuals of your product's creation journey, make sure your color and design choices align with your brand's values. Crafting a compelling narrative will make your product stand out in the kingdom of shelves. Step 4, craft an eye catching masterpiece. Make it legendary. Creating a packaging design is not just about completing a quest, it's about ascending to legend status. Study your competitors' moves, analyze their colors, fonts, images, and tactics. What do they do to bring themselves to the battleground? Learn their strategies and give yourself opportunities to differentiate yourself. Ditch the overused colors and fonts. If they're wielding light colors and tiny fonts, grab the most audacious shades and giant fonts to capture the spotlight. Seek out the hidden gems of colors that others neglect and weave them into your design tapestry. Shape matters too. Choose a unique packaging form that screams individuality, but remember to stay true to your industry standards. Ensure your design aligns with safety standards because we don't want any side quests leading to danger. That's Lord of the Rings. Hey, if this info's giving you that XP boost, don't forget to hit that like button and drop a comment. Plus, ring the notification bell to stay in the loop for our next video drop. Step 5, maximize your shelf impact. Success in your product's realm hinges on your design's impact on store shelves. It's not enough for your creation to stand out. It must dominate. Put your design to the test. Place your package design along your rival's loot. Your product should shine like a legendary artifact in the sea of mundane treasures. Refine your design until it shines with the brilliance of 1,000 suns. Your brand logo should be your battle standard, proudly displayed for all to see. Make it visible from a distance for both newcomers and loyal fans. This is your chance to seize the throne and rule the kingdom of products. Now that you've unlocked the secrets of epic packaging design, it's time to embark on your journey. As a small business warrior, you have multiple paths to choose from on your quest. Join a packaging design contest or visit goodbrief.io for your design brief to summon your own creative powers to craft unique designs. So embrace your inner warrior and let the gamified energy flow through you. Level up your packaging design, create a masterpiece that's become the stuff of legends, and conquer the hearts of your customers. Catch me in the next video for more ways that you can be more than graphics.